Alright guys, just wrapped up this 2024 F250. This one came to us out of Mississippi. It's got the 5-inch BDS radius arm elite system on it, with a 22 by 10 Boston with a -18 offset, 38 1350 22 needle trail graphs. Now this is the 2.5 series elite shocks, so you're going to see that you do have your reservoir mounted here. You've got your high and low speed adjustments right here. Really cool looking setup. You got your radius arms down here. Now you can see you've got your ride height sensor relocation bracket there. If you've got the pay scale system or the auto adjusting headlights, you will need that optional bracket. We also added the BDS Fox dual steering stabilizer. Kit also comes with your standard OE style BDS NX2 stabilizer. If you look right up here, you see that you got your drop track bar bracket and your drop pitman arm. You also got these brackets over here on the side that are going to lower your sway bar down. It keeps everything in your factory geometry. Since we changed to the trimmer valence, we didn't have to do any trimming on the front valence. We did have to do just a touch of trimming on the corner of the plastic on the back fender here. Give you another look at these radius arms. Now at this ride height, the transfer case indexing ring kit is not needed, but any higher than this and you would need that. On the rear, you've got that same Fox 2.5 Elite Resi shock. Now they do put the adjustments up at the top, so it's a little bit harder to get to on this one. You've got your new block with your built-in bump stop, and of course your longer U-bolts. Really good looking truck. I think these Boston wheels look great on this truck. A lot of the 8-lug wheels just have really bulky center caps, but these are really on the slim side for a Super Duty center cap. So it kind of gives a little bit cleaner look. Alright guys, so that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more. If you're interested in us installing one of these kits for you, or if you'd just like to order one and us have it shipped out to you, just give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks.